Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to check last seen on WhatsApp. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the WhatsApp app. Now, go to find the specific person. Okay, you'll be able to see the chats in here. Let's say, for example, my dad right here. I'm going to go ahead and tap on his name. And as you can see, it says last seen April 10th, 2026. All right. So if they are not currently active, the exact time and date they last used the app will appear right here. So there are some viewing requirements and restrictions. If you turn off your own last seen status in your privacy or privacy settings, you'll not be able to see other users' last seen statuses either. All right. And if a contact sets their status to nobody or excludes you, you'll not see when they were last active. And you also cannot view the last seen or online status of someone who has blocked you. Now, if you cannot see anyone's status, make sure your sharing options are turned on via the settings. So go to settings. Now go to find privacy and just find last seen online and set it up. Who can see my last seen? Nobody. My contacts? It's up to you. Who can see when I'm online? Everyone, or same as last seen. Just like so. There you go. That is how you check last seen on WhatsApp. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.